If you're seeing this video, it's because you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. Why should you subscribe to our channel? Well, we want to give you a ton of information that's going to be relevant to you, whether you're going to be buying a home or selling a home in the San Fernando Valley. So when you're thinking about buying a home, we want to make sure that you have the tips that you need to buy the perfect home at the perfect price. We're going to give you a lot of insight on how to make that happen. If you're thinking about selling a home, we want to give you the tips on how to sell your home for the most amount of money in the least amount of time, and obviously the least amount of headaches. And last, and something we find to be really important, is to keep you updated with what's going on in the market. Now, more importantly, to help you understand, there are all these stats out there about inventory, number of sales, appreciation. I want to help you understand what all this means to you, whether you're buying or selling a home in the San Fernando Valley. So make sure you click down below and subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell so you get notified every time we drop a video, and we look forward to seeing you on our channel.